Yo, what's good everyone? I know it's been a fucking long time, eh? Finally decided to pick up the camera since I've actually got some footage for you guys that I think you would enjoy. It's from the LZ World Tour. Now, before you think and you click off, just hang on a second. Before you click off, I got some sick footage and I put it together real nicely. I think you guys will enjoy it. Just hear me out. Just watch it. Just watch it. Trust me. I know everyone's probably seen the world tour, but I tried to capture footage of I think maybe some other people might not have gotten. So just see it out, check it out. I think it came out fucking awesome. And yeah, I didn't really have the intentions to record too much because it was a YouTube based event, and I went with that as like a, just have a good time together. But I did get plenty footage and I put it in here now. Good to see you all, and many more to come, trust me, many more to come. I'll make sure that this does not happen again. Anyways, I'll see you in a bit. Ciao, stay safe.
Think I got what you need, well I have none. Hop off, you're a freak and I'm handsome. Slide up in the club like 2 chains. This snake is on top of the food chain. Stand out like a star, no new name. All these words in my DMs, no message back. I just see them, I get them hooked and I reel and then throw them back when completely. I'm a snake on this lane, I'm speeding my poison and flame. I'm handle that, only no pain. We dripping that venom, so babe, I'm a VIP. In your mouth.
We my appetite. Turn my head with the side flip. I know you like it. Baby, cause I can't wait for you forever.
Don't let go. Chasing a beat. What you do? Don't let go. Chasing a beat. What you do? Don't let go. Chasing a beat.
Most exciting thing.
I take the emotional away.
Yes. to the top. Big last ditch dive. He did the transition.
You had me from the first word that you said. Listen to the sound of that thing.
On the podium, doesn't have to make sense. That's what this championship's all about. Dan, I, Mez, and all the crew here at the LT World Tour. We'll see you next year. Let's